Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these little tacks, and I'm going to show you guys what these are and how I use them around the house. So it looks like, just going to open up here, and if you look at it, they are like little push pin kind of things, super thin. Oop, there it is, super thin with a little end and another end past it. And let me show you guys what I'm using them for here. So I already put some up. So like right here, I have this picture on one there. You see there's the little tack there to hang it up. So I'm hanging up. I got a bunch of pictures here. I have a few different ones and someone put some stickers on, but let me see, is there any that are sticking out? That's the only one that's got a hanger on it right now. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So hopefully you can see it. It's a little high for me, so I can't see if you guys see it or not. But that's kind of how it works, and they're super easy to push in because they're nice and thin, and it makes it just nice and convenient and easy to hang stuff up. So rather than putting some other nails or screws or something like that in your wall, you can just use these things here, and then they come out super easy as well. So definitely a thumbs up for me on these. These are great if you have, especially if you're like renting an apartment or something like that. Patching the little holes on this would be a piece of cake. Love it.